In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this super cute nautical coastal inspired wreath. It's beach season, it's cottage season, it's all the seasons. All the seasons with the water and the fun and the sun and the trees and all that stuff. It's now. At least in Canada it is. So I thought, let's make a wreath to commemorate that. I'm sure there's lots of people who would love something like this for their cottage. So what do you think? Cute, right? I'm going to show you how to make this, all the steps, all the materials. So grab all your stuff and let's get crafty. This is Mary. Welcome to the IHC Craft Room. For materials, let's start with a 14-inch wire wreath ring frame, some burlap garland that I picked up at Dollarama, wire edged ribbon. I have this cute navy blue with white anchors and this light blue, navy blue, and white striped. Some wood embellishments, some cute little starfish, seahorse, and sailboats, and a navy blue or white large anchor. We'll see which one I pick later. Some plastic seashells and a pipe cleaner. For tools, we're gonna need a glue gun for sure, a pair of scissors, and these super awesome finger protectors. I'm so hyped about finding these. I usually begin all of my wreaths by working on the base first. I'm gonna wrap this burlap garland around and around the base wreath, making sure to overlap and cover the wire frame completely. And when I get to the end, I'll use a generous amount of hot glue to secure it into place before cutting the excess off. Boom, base is already done. Guys, we're gonna go flying through this tutorial, so strap in, okay? Since we've already finished making our base, that makes it time for the bonded bow breakdown. Andiamo! We're using two different wired ribbons that complement each other. And for our navy ribbon, I'm gonna need 3 different sized pieces. For our loops, we'll need a 20-inch piece and a 10-inch piece, plus a 12-inch piece for the tail. I'm only going to need 2 20-inch pieces of the striped ribbon so that we can make one of the easiest bows you'll ever make. So here's how you make a bonded bow. You take your piece of ribbon and add a line of glue across the edge of one end. Then you carefully fold it over, creating a perfect circle, and glue the ends together by overlapping them slightly. Hello, finger protectors. Hold the pieces together for a few seconds to let the glue adhere, and we've got 2 of our bow loops ready with 1 bonded circle. Simple, right? We're gonna do that for every piece of ribbon I've cut here so far, because I haven't cut the final piece for the tail just yet. Just a quick reminder about working with hot glue. If you're making this super simple wreath with your kiddos, you'll want to make sure to keep an eye on them when working with this liquid magma, cause Santa Maria, she burns. Oh yes, she does. All right, let's start putting our loops together and bring this bonded bow to life. I'm going to start by folding the largest navy loop flat, making sure that the spot where I glued the ends together is not showing. I'll do the same with the 2 striped circles, but I'm gonna layer them crisscross applesauce, you know? Just like that. And last, we'll put that small navy loop right in the center. Now, using one pipe cleaner, I'm gonna thread it through the small navy loop and then wrap it around our crisscross of circles and give the pipe cleaner a few good twists. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time fluffing the loops because I have a real bow fluffing problem. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut that final piece of navy ribbon at about 12 inches in length. I'm going to dovetail the ends by folding them over and cutting them at an angle for a nice polished finish. And then we'll just fold that ribbon in half and give it a good scrunch. And using the very same pipe cleaner, I'm gonna attach the tail to this beautiful nautical bonded bow. And then I'll spend the next 16.5 minutes fluffing the loops like a totally normal, not at all weird person. Thanks. Okay, all of the main components of our wreath are ready. Now it's time to lay everything out and decide what to glue down where. I really want this wreath to be a nautical meets coastal vibe. Simple and casual and not too busy. But these little wood embellishments are so damn cute that I must have spent 43 years debating about sailboats and starfish and which color anchor to choose. In the end, I managed to keep hold of myself and keep the embellishments cute and somewhat understated. Okay, we're done. What do you think? Did I manage to nail the nautical meets coastal vibe? Thank you for joining me on this blue, navy, and white striped, anchor-covered, burlap-wrapped, nautical meets coastal, simple wreath-making voyage. Ahoy, y'all! Mary needs a tropical vacation and a pina colada. Send coconuts. I'd love to chat with you in the comments below, so please say hi. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, consider telling a friend and tying them to a chair with their eyelids peeled back so they can watch too. Okay, don't do that part. Just tell your friend, okay? And don't forget to subscribe so that we can continue to get crafty together. Toodaloo!